Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy women comfortable sleeper designs, beautiful ideas, stylish shoes ideas for stylish ladies. You can see in this my video. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding, soft and beautiful women comfortable sleeper designs, stylish sleepers. You can see in this my video. Every design is beautiful, different and trendy one another. Those ladies who loves to wear such type of sleepers. Most trendy designer ideas. You can see every design is different, beautiful. Highly running ideas for stylish ladies. You can see. You can visit my channel and see more collection about high heels, about shoes, about comfortable shoes, stylish sleepers, stylish sandals, pointed toe heels, round heels, stylish heels. You can see in this my channel. If you want to buy these very beautiful comfortable sleepers, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eBay.com, ETSY.com and Amazon. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon, you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. You can easily wear, you can easily move with beautiful and stylish comfortable sleepers, beautiful sleepers. You can easily wear soft and beautiful comfortable sleepers. Friends, gives your feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and stylish comfortable sleepers. Very soft and easy wear. Top 50 designer ideas. You can see every design is beautiful and trendy. You can wear these very beautiful sleepers. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again with beautiful collection. Till then, Allah Hafiz.